Hey everyone, welcome back to Crypto Simplified. If you're diving into the world of Cardano in 2025, you might need to move your assets from a Tangem wallet to a Ledger Nano X for better security. This process is straightforward, but as always with crypto, double-check everything to avoid any mishaps. Today, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently in just a few minutes. First things first, make sure you have both wallets ready. You'll need your Tangem wallet app installed on your phone and your Ledger Nano X device connected to your computer via USB. Also, ensure you have some Cardano, ADA, in your Tangem wallet and that your ledger is updated with the latest firmware. 2025 brings some cool enhancements for better transaction speeds. Let's get started. Step 1. Open your Tangem wallet app and navigate to the Cardano section. Select the wallet address holding your ADA and choose the Send option. Here, you'll enter the amount you want to transfer. Remember, always leave a little extra for network fees, which are super low in 2025 thanks to Cardano's upgrades. Step 2. On your Ledger Nano X, open the Cardano app by plugging it in and using the Ledger Live software. Go to Receive to generate a new address. Copy this address carefully. It's a long string, so double-check for accuracy to prevent sending funds to the wrong place. Step 3. Back in the Tangem app, paste the ledger address into the recipient field. Review the transaction details, including the amount and fees, then confirm the send. You'll get a prompt on your Tangem for final approval. Hit yes, and watch the magic happen. Once sent, Step 4. Head over to Ledger Live and refresh your Cardano balance. It should show up in a minute or two, depending on network congestion. If it doesn't, don't panic. Just check the transaction on a blockchain explorer like CardanoScan. A quick tip. Always use a secure connection and enable two-factor authentication on your devices. In 2025, with rising crypto adoption, scams are more sophisticated, so stay vigilant. That's it. You've successfully transferred your Cardano. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Drop your questions in the comments below. See you next time.